Yan, side. Forward, forward, tuloy-tuloy. Double jump straight. Yung sinabi ko, ito yung pagtapos nito yung gumagalaw ha. Double jump straight. Speed ha. Backward. Tingnan mo na, yun na. Go. Gumagalaw ha. Gumagalaw bago sumuntok, tapos pagkatapos sumuntok. Gumagalaw, go. Double jump straight. Taas kamay, go. Happy look straight. Jump straight. Straight. Paano? Yan. Hook straight. Jump straight. Straight. Nag-twist yung paa sa'yo. Nag-twist siya. Hook straight. Jump straight. Straight. Good. Side. Happy look straight. Mabilis. Mabilis ha. Try mo na malakas ha. Go. Jump straight. Straight. Backward. Good. Taas kamay. Wait. Masakit. Masakit. Kaya naman. Sa tamba. Huwag patamahin. Dapat na kayo patamahin mo. Go. Taas kamay. Whip. Whip. Taas kamay. Hindi yuyo ko yung ulo ha. Sa tuhod ka mag-a-adjust. Go. Yan. Hook straight. Jump straight. Straight. Backward. Good. Happy look straight. Again. Again. Go. Jump straight. Straight. Backward. Apat. Apat. Again. Yung ayos na apat. Go. Apat. Pedal straight. Go. Pedal straight. Isa pa. Go. Straight lang ha. Go. Mabilis tayo. Mabagal yun. Dito tama yun. Isa pa. Go. Isa pa. Mas mabilis. Go. Pedal straight. Side. Isa pa. Gumagalaw. 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 Tapos kamay. Go. Again. From side. Tapos kamay. Tapos kamay. Forward. Forward. Block. Pag move forward, nandito kamay ha. Backward. Backward. Block. Block. Hook straight. Jump straight. Straight. Side. Apat pedal. Go. Apat pedal straight. Isa pa. Go. Jump straight. Straight. Backward.